It's very obvious that you need this service, but please give us a moment to show you the features and benefits of our service.
If I were you, I would turn around. In fact, if I were you, I'd turn around and go home, because this can only end badly for you. Don't even try it. That's what I thought.
A burglary occurs about every 16 seconds. Why leave your family's safety to chance? Right now, get the protection of ADT starting at just $28.99. That's less than $1 a day. Plus, get a 6-month money-back guarantee. When it comes to protecting your home and loved ones, choose the leader in home security. That's ADT. Call now.
I'm ADT, and I am always there.
We look forward to working with you. Call us or click the link below.